Hi, you are watching Kids Screen Learning.
I I saw cat wearing sunglasses. Am I am a dog who dances disco. Can a giraffe ride a skateboard? See I see monkey in a tutu. The elephant ate all the cupcakes. Light I like turtles that sing opera. Is the pig is playing the piano. We saw kangaroo jumping over jelly. You are faster than a cheetah in roller skates. My hamster thinks he's superhero. And the lion and the mouse are playing chess. Go bunny, go, the race is on. Me give me back my banana, silly monkey. It It is raining frogs and ducks. Up. Up. The cat flew up in a balloon. In. In. The owl is hiding in the popcorn. On. On. A cow is dancing on the roof. At. At. Look at the fish wearing glasses. No. No. No, zebra, that's not your striped shirt. Yes. Yes. Yes, the penguin can juggle snowballs. R. R. Why are the goats playing soccer? With. With. The fox is baking cookies with a bear. He. He. He is raccoon who paints pictures. She. She. She is hen who does karate.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.